Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I'm going to show you guys the dried results of the painting you're going to see in the video. It is a Dutch pour and it's using my usual browns and golds that I love to use so much. I got to thinking it might be really cool to do a series of all the paintings you can do with browns and golds. I don't know, I might do that. But for right now, I'm going to show you guys the results of this painting. It is on a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I don't know if you guys have used this size canvas before, but I love this size. I had actually ordered some 12 by 12s and I got sent these by mistake, and it was honestly the best mistake ever because I really love the size of these. They're not too big, they're not too small, really good size canvas. As usual, my color as well as the formula will be listed in the description box. This painting is for sale in my Etsy shop, and I am currently running a 20% off sale on all my paintings and prints. So this one is 20% off as well. I will leave a link in the description box so you guys can check all that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.